All right, let's see here. Chicken and gator. Chicken and gator. Man, that's so good. Wow. Woo, buddy. Air fried chicken and gator bites. Man, you don't want to miss this one. I already got it cooking and it's smelling so good. I had this other day. It came out great. I wanted to share this one with you. You have to add this to your rotation. Let me show you the ingredients to use. Now, I know I said chicken and gator bites. I'm only using chicken, don't have any gator on me right now, but I'm gonna show you the seasoning that I use to get you that flavor and some options that you can use as well if you want to fit into any diet, any nutrition plan that you have. Make sure you check this one out. You gotta save it, you gotta try it. I'm telling you, it is so good, so easy to make. What I'm using is the air fryer right now. I don't know if you can hear it in the back. I'm using the air fryer. You can also cook this up in a pan. If you don't have an air fryer, totally fine. You can just cook it up in a pan, but I'm air frying these to get them a little bit crispier. I'm gonna show you everything that I use to make this great, easy meal. And like I said, it can fit into any diet, anything that you're gonna do. Man, it is smelling so good. I can smell it back there cooking. And I said, man, I gotta share this one with you. Like, subscribe if you like content like this. Let me know in the comments what you think about this meal. If you tried it, if you tried something like it. And man, let's get this one going. This one is good, check this out. Now what I did with the chicken, like I've done before, I'm using avocado oil. All right, so I marinate the chicken in avocado oil, just stick it in a Ziploc bag, put some avocado oil in there, and then I throw this seasoning on there. Let me show you the seasoning. Now I said I'm making chicken and gator. I said chicken and gator because I'm using the chicken and gator seasoning. Look at this. If you can find this, you gotta grab it. I'm telling you, I've seen it at Kroger, I've seen it at Walmart. This right here, the Raging Cajun, boy, you cannot go wrong with that. This stuff tastes good. You can put it on anything, but man, this chicken right here is gonna taste amazing. I promise you. I'm air frying it right now. It's gonna be a little crispy. It's gonna taste great. It's gonna taste so good. You gotta try this one. I promise you, this is so good, but this is it right here, all right? Chicken and gator seasoning. Check it out, man. I'm telling you, find it, keep it in stock. You will be using it. Woo, buddy, them jokers are done now. All right, guys, I wanna get up close and personal with this. Look, let's see what we're working with here. Ooh, buddy, it is still bubbling up in there. You see that? Can you hear that? Man, 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 look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks. Man, air fry, 400 degrees for 12 minutes. That's what you got right there. Look at that. Wow. But yeah, you will be using this, okay? So keep this in stock. Also keep the Tony Chachere's, the Slap Your Mama, those kind of seasonings. They really just help take boring food, make it taste much better. What I'm using here is I'm using 8 ounces of chicken thighs, all right? So 8 ounces of chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breast if you wanna go a little bit leaner. It'll taste great either way. I'm going with chicken thighs. They got a little more flavor in it, a little more fats. And with that seasoning on there, man, they're gonna taste amazing. Okay, so I'm keeping it low carb right now. So I'm just gonna put the chicken over some frozen peppers. All right, you can get these. I highly recommend you get some type of vegetable. These right here are great because you just keep them in the freezer, pop them in the oven, pop them in the microwave if you need to defrost them, season them up however you want to, cook them on the stove, doesn't matter. You can add them to the food as you're cooking. They come out great, gives a ton of flavor. This is an option if you don't want to go with the carbs. Now you can also go with something like this if you're looking to keep the carbs low. Rice cauliflower is a great way to go. I also made a video where I'm using the mashed rice, frozen rice that you stick in the microwave. These go in the microwave as well for 15 minutes, for 30 seconds. For 90 seconds, these jokers go in the microwave. They're real easy to make. They come out great. You can't really tell the difference on the rice because the chicken is gonna have so much flavor in it. So flavor this however you want, but the chicken's gonna have so much flavor already. So definitely check this out. Now I've mentioned this before right here, riced sweet potato. Boy, you gotta try this. If you can find this, definitely check this one out, man. This is great, I'm telling you. So the sweet potato flavor goes great with that chicken. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. If this will fit into your macros, definitely try this out, all right? Another great option to pair with, if you're going rice, you can go with the jasmine rice, these little cups here, very simple. You just stick them in the microwave. Or if you like brown rice, go ahead and get you one. I just highly recommend getting the microwave one because look, we're busy. We don't have time to be, cooking rice on the stove. If you have a rice cooker, go ahead and do that. Make up a big batch of rice, whatever kind of rice you want. Make a big batch and just divide it up like that. That's perfectly fine as well. But I like to keep these because then I can just throw these in a microwave for 90 seconds or so, and they're ready to go. You just add them in. They just make it so easy. So this is the jasmine rice. You can get different ones. This is the brown one if you want to go brown. If you're not down with the white, you can do this right here. It's up to you, whatever you want to do, but this is a great option too. I'm telling you, man, it's smelling good back there, but yeah. All right, guys, check this out. There it is. Look at that right there, buddy. Oh, man. So what we have here is chicken thighs, and I use this Chicken and Gator seasoning. Got some air fried Chicken and Gator bites, all right, because I cut them up before, and I went ahead and cooked them in olive oil, air fried them in olive oil, and added that seasoning on there. 400 degrees for 12 minutes in the air fryer. Like I said, if you don't have an air fryer, go ahead and cook this on the stove. And what I chose to go with, because I'm just keeping it low carb right now, is I just put it over some frozen peppers, a 3 pepper blend. So get you some of those, keep them in the freezer. But man, it smells so good. You have to try this one. You don't have to have boring chicken anymore. You can just go ahead and get you some of this, get you the different kind of seasonings, try the different seasonings out, okay? Make sure you look on the back, make sure there's not too much junk in them. But it's a way to make your food fun, that you want to eat, that you look forward to eating. Okay, so I'm always thinking about different ideas. Let me know in the comments if you have some other spices I need to try. I'm always looking for different spices. Let me know, man. I'll go check them out. Let me know where to get them. I'll go check them out and I'll report back, But I found this one. I said, man, that's gonna go good on some chicken thighs or some chicken breasts. Like I said, you can use chicken breasts if you want to. If you want to go a little bit leaner, go with the chicken breast. If you want a little more fats, a little more flavor, go with chicken thighs. Nothing wrong with that. This is 8 ounces of chicken thighs, okay? So this is so good. It's gonna get, over 40 grams of protein right here, but it's gonna be so good, so easy to eat, so quick to make. I made it in 12 minutes in the air fryer. Same thing, if you want to do it on the stove, you can do that as well. Let me know in the comments, like, subscribe for more stuff like this. I'll keep cranking these out, and man, I'm gonna eat this, man. Lunch is ready, or you can have for dinner, either one. But man, I'm gonna have it for lunch. Lunch is ready. Let's keep getting better. Talk to you next time. All right, guys, I want to get up close and personal with this. Look, let's see what we're working with here. Ooh, buddy, it is still bubbling up in there. You see that? Can you hear that? Man, look at that. Wow. Okay, let's get these jokers out. Oh, let me show you. I'm gonna put it, I got my vegetables here. It's just good to go on top of these. But like I said, you can use any of those if you want, okay? But I'm gonna just throw it on some veggies. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks. Man, air fry, 400 degrees for 12 minutes. That's what you got right there. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's check. Let's put it on these veggies. All right, let's see here. Chicken and Gator. Chicken and Gator. Man, that's so good. Wow. Woo, buddy.